papaya, banana, 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 fruit salad, fruit salad. Okay, one more time, Aditya. Watermelon, watermelon, papaya, papaya, banana, banana, fruit salad, fruit salad. Okay. Okay, we'll have, let's review Ate Mia, ha? Last time, we discussed about A, that's say Okay, very good. Ate Mia, teacher will give you a heart. Okay, and the E says, eh, eh. And the I says, eh. This is the sounds of
Mama, I want mommy.
what, mommy? It's okay. Okay, the I says, eh. Say, eh. Come on, say, eh. Very good. Okay, we'll give you a clap. Great job, Ate Mia. This time, we will have the O and U. Okay? O and U. Okay, teacher will share a screen, ha? Did you see the screen, Ate Mia? Did you see the screen?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, very good.
Yes.
Okay, we're done with the A, the E, and the I. And let's proceed to O. Okay. Eyes in here, Ate Mia. Can you draw an O? Or a circle, Ate Mia? Oh, you use your finger. Let's trace the letter O using your finger like this. Okay, let's start here. Circle. Let's make a big circle or O. Next, small letter O, Ate Mia. Let's start here. Okay, and let's write the letter. Opo. Ay, hindi. Wala nakita. Okay, I will share again the screen. Cancel ko muna. This one, Ate Mia. Did you see the screen? Sabi niya kasi yes. Sure. Oh, bakit? Wait lang ha. Regard ko. Bakit? Saan na yun, Ate Mia? Okay, let's try kung hindi ito at makita pa natin Mia, we'll call again. This one, did you see the screen? Not yet.
Wala pa rin.
Yes.
Magtawag na lang po ako ulit ha.
Yeah.
Okay.